Well, it was dry inside, maybe minus a couple of eyes inside the Sullivan Center, as it was senior night for the Irish as they played host to Bowling Green. First set, Bobcats out in front. Central looking for the kill, but Jamie Sayin says no with the rejection. Bowling Green would take the first 25-15 in the second. Central responds. Ball set over to Brooklyn McClung. Big time kill for the point. Irish come back to take the second, 26-24. Bobcats continued to attack in the third. Sophia Twig cross-court kill for the point, finishing the set. And from there, BG took that momentum into the fourth. Twig able to find her spot. Irish unable to get the return. 3-1 the final. The Bobcats gaining confidence in themselves as the regular season winds down.
It really got us excited, and it made us want to play less timid and more confident. I think that gave us a big confidence boost to go on with our next two opposing teams that are going to be pretty tough matches.
We send it back to Tim Clagg and Gretchen Brown, who are there and have more.
Both Central and Bowling Green coming into this match tonight were out of the battle for their respected conference titles, but they wanted to try and build some momentum for the postseason play, and it was Bowling Green that got on the board first due to their service game in that opening set.
They did. They came out aggressive. They controlled that first set. Central turned around, yanked that second set from them, and it was a good match through the rest.
And it was so important for them to get off to a hot start in that opening set. Bowling Green coming off their worst loss of the season against 2-win Napoleon, and they needed their leadership of their senior. They needed Sophie Twig to come in and respond. She's been battling an ankle injury, and she certainly did that today.
She did. She came in off the bench. She played a little back row, but then gave them the spark offensively that they needed tonight.
Fourth set, very crucial in this match. Central, they were trailing by double digits, and they were able to battle back, but just came up a little bit short.
They did, and they battled hard, and they fought all the way to the end. Their effort should be applauded.
If they're going to have success in the postseason, it's going to come from one of their 5 seniors, Brooklyn McClung in the middle. She really, when is in system, is just very talented in the middle.
She did. She did a nice job in this match here. She had a lot of great attacks and did a nice job across the front line blocking.
Bowling Green spoils the party on senior night. They knock off Central Catholic in 4 sets.